Have you ever thought of starting a dropshipping business with no money? If that question sparks your interest, you're in the right place. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This means the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. This business model is especially attractive due to its low startup costs. You don't need a warehouse full of inventory to start an e-commerce business. All you need is a good product, a reliable supplier, and a platform to sell on. Plus, the flexibility it offers is unparalleled. You can run your business from anywhere, anytime. Now that you know what dropshipping is, let's explore why it could be a great business option for you. Why should you consider dropshipping as a business model? Well, dropshipping comes with several enticing benefits. For starters, it has low overhead costs, which makes it an accessible venture for many. Plus, dropshipping gives you access to an expansive selection of products without having to stock or manage inventory. And let's not forget its ease of scalability. As your business grows, your operations can expand seamlessly. Clearly, dropshipping has some compelling advantages, but it all starts with market research. How do you conduct effective market research for your dropshipping business? Well, it's a crucial step that can't be skipped. It's like laying the foundation for a house. Without a solid foundation, everything else can crumble. Market research involves identifying profitable niches, understanding customer needs, and analyzing competition. It's about finding that sweet spot where your passion meets demand. You don't want to be selling ice to Eskimos, right? Start by identifying potential niches. Look for products or categories that interest you, and check if they have a sizable audience. Next, delve into customer needs. What problem does your product solve? Who needs it? Why would they buy it? Finally, don't forget about your competition. Who are they? What are they doing well? What can you do better? Remember, you're not just selling a product, you're creating a brand that offers a unique value proposition. Once you've done your market research, it's time to select a niche. How do you choose the right niche for your dropshipping business? A question we all face when venturing into this exciting field. The answer lies in aligning your interest with market demand and profit potential. Let's break it down. Your niche should be something you're genuinely interested in, something that lights a spark within you. This passion will fuel your journey, making it easier to navigate the challenges that come your way. Next, we have market demand. It's crucial to ensure that your chosen niche has a substantial audience interested in it. You don't want to be selling ice cubes to Eskimos, do you? Use online tools like Google Trends and Keyword Planner to gauge the popularity of your chosen niche. And finally, profit potential. Does your chosen niche offer products with good profit margins? You want to ensure that the products you'll be selling can bring in a healthy profit after all costs are covered. With a niche selected, the next step is to find products that suit your target audience. How can you find the right products for your dropshipping business? This question is where the rubber meets the road. It's the million-dollar question, literally. To answer it, you need to pay attention to three key factors: trending items, target audience, and profit margins. Let's break it down. First up, trending items. These are products that are currently hot in the market. Think fidget spinners of 2017 or reusable metal straws of 2020. Trending items change rapidly, so keep your eyes peeled on social media, popular culture, and online marketplaces. Secondly, your target audience. Who are you selling to? What do they want? What do they need? Answering these questions can guide you towards products that resonate with your audience. Lastly, profit margins. It's the amount you'll pocket after deducting costs. You want to find products that offer a good balance between affordability for your customers and profitability for you. Now that you have your products, you'll need to find reliable suppliers. How do you find reliable suppliers for your dropshipping business? Well, it's crucial to your success. Platforms like Alibaba are a great place to start. They connect you with manufacturers and suppliers from all over the globe, offering a vast array of products. But it's not just about finding any supplier, it's about finding the right one. Communication is key. Check how responsive they are. Do they understand your needs? Can they answer your questions effectively? Remember, they're not just suppliers, they're your business partners. Product quality is another critical aspect. You want to ensure that what your customers receive meets their expectations. So order samples, inspect the quality, and make sure it's up to par. And let's not forget about delivery times. In the world of online shopping, speed is everything. Look for suppliers who can provide fast, reliable shipping. It keeps your customers happy and coming back for more. With reliable suppliers in place, it's time to build your online store. How can you set up an online store on a budget? This is a question that often pops up when starting a dropshipping venture. Thankfully, there are free or low-cost platforms that can help you establish an online presence. Shopify, for instance, offers a user-friendly interface and plenty of design templates to choose from. But it's not just about the platform. A successful online store combines a visually appealing site with smooth navigation. It's essential to focus on creating a user-friendly design that makes it easy for customers to find what they're looking for. Also, don't forget about secure payment options. It's crucial to offer a variety of payment methods, ensuring that your customers feel safe when making a purchase. This could be anything from credit card payments to digital wallets like PayPal. Remember, your store is only as good as its product pages. So let's talk about how to optimize them. How do you create compelling product pages that convert? Well, it all begins with an engaging product description. Paint a vivid picture of the product's features and benefits. Make sure to highlight how your product solves a problem or improves the buyer's life. Be specific and use power words that evoke emotion and create a sense of urgency. Next, use high-quality images to showcase your product. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and in e-commerce, it could be worth 1,000 sales. Show your product from various angles in use, and if possible, add a video to really bring it to life. Finally, optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your product title, description, and meta tags. This will help your product pages rank higher on search engines and increase organic traffic to your store. With optimized product pages, you're ready to promote your store. So let's dive into the world of marketing strategies in the next scene. How can you market your dropshipping business on a budget? Well, let's dive into some low-cost strategies. First up, social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter can be goldmines for reaching potential customers. Create engaging content, interact with your followers, and leverage hashtags to increase your visibility. Next, consider content marketing. This involves creating valuable content related to your niche. Think blog posts, how-to guides, product reviews, anything to provide value to your audience while subtly promoting your products. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of influencer partnerships. While some influencers charge hefty fees, others are open to collaborations in exchange for free products. Find influencers who align with your brand and have a loyal following. They can help you reach a larger audience without breaking the bank. Remember, marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to see results, so be patient and consistent. Marketing is essential, but don't forget about customer service. Why is excellent customer service crucial for your dropshipping business? Well, let's dive into it. You see, in the world of dropshipping, customer service is your secret weapon. It's the key that unlocks repeat purchases and word-of-mouth referrals. Yes, product quality matters, but the experience you offer your customers is what sets you apart from the competition. Think about it: when a customer feels valued, they're more likely to come back. So how do you make them feel valued? By swiftly addressing their concerns and handling complaints with grace and professionalism. Remember, a complaint is not a personal attack, but an opportunity to improve and show your commitment to customer satisfaction. Building customer loyalty is a long-term investment, but it's one that pays off in spades. It's about creating a positive shopping experience that sticks in their minds and makes them want to return. Congratulations, you're well on your way to launching a successful dropshipping business. So, are you ready to start your dropshipping business with no money? We've walked through the essentials: understanding dropshipping, conducting market research, selecting your niche, sourcing products, setting up your online store, and even crafting effective marketing strategies. It's now time to take all that knowledge and launch your very own venture. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your dropshipping business today, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and updates on making your e-commerce dreams a reality.